What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them soul for vanity?
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Young and old, pick up things but they better than can't manage it. The beautiful country, them a damage it. God bless Jamaica.
Yo, a pleasant good morning, all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and lioness. Sunday morning, the 21st of January. Happy birthday to my two niece, them, Brittany, Remy. Long life, sin. Big up on yourself. All of a blessing in abundance. Yeah, so this is, well, we're going to talk about Arsenal now, but later. I'm on my way to football right now, traversing to football, so we give thanks to life. Life are the greatest gift. Cherish each moment. See me in my red? Crystal Palace are my next team, but them dead yesterday. Yeah, but don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. But this morning, my viewers and subscribers, there's a situation we want to talk about. You see? So, a lady, as female, has been arrested at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. They found some white substances in her belongings that she was bringing up, checking in. Now, apparently it's to be Lasco. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell. And so we keep it real on the back of field. I remember we deal with equality, diversity, equity, love, inclusion, zine, peace. Yeah man, all of the good attributes them towards life. Zine, my viewers and subscribers. So, yeah man. So this lady I forward up. Big news right now. In 2024, you have to be careful who you tell the business, who you bring things for, whether go or come. Zine, in the UK, in the US, Canada, wherever, because allegedly, them say the person, your munchie, must ask somebody to bring up some Lasco. See? And apparently, Lasco had the white substances in it. Now, you know, if the Lasco did come through, what would have happened? They would have wash it. You know? Yeah, they would have wash it. You know? Wash it and get the pure thing out of the thing. You see me? Yeah. Zine. So that person who got caught couldn't be so stupid. I should have been kind-hearted or a good Samaritan. Not knowing that the people who asked them to bring something up for them had other plans, other idea, no self-thought, no compassion for their safety and freedom. Zine, this is why me, Lionfoot, bring things to people, whether go or come. Normally, I have a good heart and say, Ray, I may have some friend when I'm close to, I notice when I travel, them they say, hey, nah, to me, nah, B. More than I just see in their yard. Zine, friend and family. More than I just see in their yard. And what time if Mr. John O. Star, could have sent all one thing for my mother, or, you know, but me understand. Things like these. You see me, from 2020, from after, even before COVID or after COVID. Nobody know how to bring your thing for nobody again. Whether you do a vlog with a man, I come up with some bleaching cream. Well, him never come up with it. I'm sister get the vision. And she get the vision like when I adopt with them, her ancestors them come tell her, say, yo, check the thing that when John I bring up for the person. And when she tell her brother, say, Me don't know the people let me know, but make me check the thing them. Me get the dream last night. And so said so done. Them check the bleaching cream, them about 3 of them. And the white substance underneath the bottom in the container of the bleaching cream, and the woman and sister say, you see how me get the dream, you saw me save my brother. And the big man, he's a big man, you know, so innocent. I bring up the things them for people them. Dream know them. So you have to be careful. Now this lady who got caught, I'm not saying she's guilty. You know? And I'm not saying she's innocent. You know, I'm not swear for nobody at all. Is it? Yeah. Because when nobody do behind closed doors, but we have to speak truth and facts. You see me? And me are the man of pace, so you know, not a good look. Lasco. Look how much Lasco they are foreign. Everything there England right now. Everything there America. I'm going to America already and everything over there. The shop them, the Caribbean shop them, the Jamaica shop them. You see me? Everything there. England. Bammy, everything there England. You see me? Everything there England. You see me? So somebody asked her to bring up Lasco. She shouldn't think and say, yo, I don't want to bring up Lasco and Lasco. You can get Lasco at Catford. You can get Lasco at Brixton. You can get Lasco at Peckham. Rather the black cultural people, them, the ethnic Caribbean. You know? She shouldn't think and say, yeah, be asking me to bring up Lasco. And you can get Lasco at foreign. They care if it's expensive over here. You know, shipping costs and them things. So the people in the shop have to sell them things. You know what I mean? So like I think like Alaska where you know there in the packet and I like say at the seasoning them now you could bring on some seasoning, you know? Powder season. We're from the ground season them. Where them bag out and sell by the pound. That kind of different, but Alaska, come on man. No boss yeah. Football me are going on, but I have to talk on that topic. John no star, my viewers and subscribers. Come on man. Come on man. No good. No good.
I watch them on the Germany represent for Lion Foot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Tell people your business. No for them don't mean you no good. Yes, my people, so be careful of who you bring things for in the UK and the US. People cannot be trusted and some people don't respect you. This lady now, as me said, I don't know if she guilty, I don't know if she innocent or she never know, have no clue. But she was bringing up some Lasco and she never get through. No names are called say a Munchi. This allegedly Munchi. Zine. Tell her ask her to bring it up and me don't know. Be careful. So when I see nobody now bring up things to nobody again, don't go into your feelings. These are the reasons why people now bring up nothing for nobody again and tell nobody when them are travel. Zine? Because people cannot be trusted. Stop tell people your business. So me I say, look out for that single you forward. Soon DJ Baba music. At the end of the day, you know, live in love and peace, unity and strength, you know. Yeah man. Live in love, stop a crime. Share the food. Respect those who respect you. So me I say. And upheld. Hold up your morals. Don't deplore it. So me I say, don't lower your standard. For please nobody. Or risk your life for please nobody. God go with us all for the 2024-2025. You see me? And the man of peace, Lion Foot. Blessed love. Stop tell people your business. No for them don't mean you no good.